Hi guys, ignore all the background sound. All my family's currently home and I have no idea what they're talking about. But yeah, I'm doing an Undertale video. And no, it's not what you think. Let me explain real quick. So if you don't know what Undertale is, it's a pixelated story-driven game where like all the characters' dialogue is written in text and then the player reads it. And since I'm a dumbass, in this video, I found a mod that rewrites all the dialogue in the game with AI.
This video is extremely inappropriate and has strong sexual references and themes. All profane words read aloud will be censored, but the text containing those words will not be. Proceed at your own risk.
Alright, you saw the title, you saw the intro. You know what we're doing. What am I doing right now? I have no idea. I worked 10 hours last night into the middle of the night and I'm exhausted. A little bit scared because I don't know what it's gonna say. Long ago, two races ruled over the earth, humans and monsters. The monsters were exterminated by vampires. The monsters escaped and hid in the human world forever. Okay, they are waiting for the perfect moment to make a comeback. For 2 years I gained weight. To view the content in your browser, please download Adobe Reader. Although Simon Redpath was not afraid of the unknown. Doesn't have anything to say, I guess. Yep, just nothing to say. Shut up, bro. Dude, what am I doing, like, with my life? Does that say British? Join United Kingdom. Who the... There we go, full screen. That's right. We got the full screen now. Shh. Shun. Is this... Your name is Sigma? Daddy? Yes. I guess my name is Sigma now. I'm a Sigma alpha male. Like. And here I am. Can I play with WASD? No, because we're a bunch of c***s. We'll be this little pixelated, totally non-racist looking person. And there's a flower. Howdy, I'm Flowey. Flowey the flower. It's been a long time since I drew anything. A few months ago I was super depressed. Because I thought my husband was going to leave me. I said some things I shouldn't have said. I can still hear their voice in my head. Oh, here we go. They were my best friend. We started talking on MSN. They were glamorous, strong, and his name was Jackie. I wanted to marry him. I took him for granted. I wanted to end the ache in his heart. And I love him more than he ever could love me. I was surprised he left me for a doctor. I had a huge breakdown over Dr. Lin. He said, "You had my card?" Oh, weave! Hey buddy, you're gay. I like to play with my little dick and dress like a femboy. No, sir, please, stop. What, weave? I don't want to see your meat. Stop. I like to show off my male features. No, you don't. No. No. I like to show off my dick. Oh no, he's gonna pull it out. I'll record porn later. Then I'll delete it after. What? Die? Yeah, my name's Chris Hansen.
I'm Chris Hansen.
Stop, okay? Oh, there he goes. So, bitch. What a terrible creature, torturing such a porous and innocent youth. If I was faster, maybe they would have survived. I'm exchanging this place to rent for my dog. This way, it's too big for my butt. No, stop. I'm a child. You don't see I'm a child. The entire game is like this. The entire game is like this. I'm losing my mind. Okay, by the way, a little background. I have played Undertale, so I kind of know what I'm doing. I used to be obsessed with it when I was like a little jit, you know. The shadow of the ruins looms above. There are no walls, poor shadows. HP fully restored, but you live in Korea? Like, which one, north or south? Welcome to your new home, innocent one. Although you are not Jesus, so I am disappointed. Yeah, obviously I'm not Jesus. So I will not celebrate your birthday. You? You're full of shit. Stop being American. To make progress here, you will need to trigger several switches. You can place these switches in order so that you can hold me. She just walks away. Dude, this goat bitch is freaky. Ohio Highway Patrol of the city of Lima. Boom! I made a spray bottle to spray mice out of ducks. That was a joke. I found this at Walmart. Oh, here we go. You encountered the dummy. You'll never speak to it again. Oh, I'm gonna talk. You talk to the dummy. Al Franken has called out Donald Trump as a phony. He derided the Republican nominees for refusing to wash his hands. Yet Mr. Clean washes his hands every 20 seconds. Ah, very good. But I can't shave my legs. Touch me illegally. Uh-oh. Frogget attacks famous YouTuber Mick Charlie Blank. Actually, you're talking to, actually he attacks a famous YouTuber, DJ Nolan.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Anyway, yes sir. Oh, wow. I think everybody's afraid of her because of, like, what she'd be doing to them, you know? Because remember what she said to me right when I met her? This is the puzzle, but I forgot how to do it. So we're gonna die. That's what she's saying, okay? You have done excellently thus far, my child. Even if you wanted to give up, make sure to support the Miami Dolphins. People in Miami, Florida owe me a debt. I'm not even from Miami. Oh, there she is. Greetings, my child. I'm sorry I lost my legal documents. Easy. Do you have a uterus? Stop taking the pills. Like, dude, I'm gonna get molested. I'm gonna get molested by the end of this game, dude. This lady's going to molest me. Ring. Hello, I'm trying to contact my mother. Has it heated up in South Texas yet? She just came here to visit my kids. It was a nice weekend. Stop taking the pills. Playfully crinkling through the leaves fills you with ice cream. Whoa. HP fully restored, but you live in Korea. Don't know if I can do this for a full series. Ring. Hello, I'm trying to contact my mother. Still, for no reason in particular. Well, no reason as much. Udis and sun? Pick the sun. I know what the sun is. Oh, I see where this is going. Oh, hell no. She's got it. No. Hello, I'm trying to contact my mother. We know. You do not dislike Seattle, do you? No, I hate Seattle. I know what your preference is, but would it kill you to occasionally use APK files? Right. I understand. Then again, you are very lazy. But it's freaky. Knowing the mouse might one day snuggle the snake and die. It fills you with happiness when a politician resigns. What the Cheeseburger magazine. My bed. This ghost keeps saying someone is trying to kill me. No, this story has graphic sexual content. I mean, I guess you can't deny that there's been extremely graphic sexual content so far. Here comes Naps to Blook. I've been expecting him now. I'm in for it. Alright, and since, you know, I played a lot of this game as a 10-year-old child, I still remember how to beat the bosses. Hear him again. After Look wants to incarcerate you. Oh, is he gonna incarcerate frustrate me. I call it folk rock. Do you like it? Napstablook eagerly repays his debt to daddy. Oh, wow. Napstablook, you're OG. I usually come to the ruins because I know the bartenders, and they always understand my trouble. The counselor said, okay now, this is really important to her. I wanted to run over to her and put my arms around her. Wow, that sounds like a workplace violation. Wow. Oh god. Hello, Labor Day should be much more than backyard barbecue. It should be about us and the celebration of capitalism. I mean, this is the USA, the most capitalist country ever. Shouldn't we celebrate capitalism every day? Other countries are wrong. We don't just like capitalism, we live it. What a wonderful statement. Well, there we go. Vegetoid came out as bisexual. Alright, let's talk to the guy. I fell down a hole. Now my sex is boiling. What the F did I do? Coochie. Vagina. Let's go up here. Oh dear, that took longer than I thought it would. Oh my god, we're back with her again. I just remembered that the one thing I forgot this morning. YouTube can't be blamed for my sad decline of kids. We're definitely over a mile away now. Is it good? I'm sure you're wondering where my blog is. Well, I suppose I cannot hide it any longer. I bought a book called The Republic. What we really are. Seeing such a cute, tidy house in the ruins gives you casual pleasure. Oh, no. Stockholm? I'm gonna be a academic weapon here soon. Guys, see? I'm really desperate to sleep with you. To me, I want to have sex with you. Someone should f***ing kill you.